Alright squad, so today I'll show you how you can actually view your old days post on Facebook, old days posts since when you open your first account. So what you have to do is to go through. Actually, I've done a video on this very topic before, but the video resolution was not okay. It wasn't clear, so I decided to do it that way again and in a HD version. So thank you for watching. So as we are in the home page of the app now, what you have to do is to click on this three parallel line at the top here. Then you scroll down to the settings. You go to the settings here. Then you scroll down to activity log. So you click on the activity log over here. So these are actually all the posts you have gotten on Facebook and the one you posted on Facebook. All what you did is actually recorded here. So what you have to do is, like in this month now, let's click on this month. These are the one I did in this month. All the things I posted, all the pages and everything I liked are here. So all the comments and every other thing, they are here. So what you have to do, let's go back to 2016 when I first opened my Facebook account. So you can see December 2016. These were all the things I do. Let's go to 2017. You can see December, November, October, September, August, July, or up to January 2017. So you can see, let's click on January 2017. This identification here. February, you can load more from February 2017. August 2017. You can see that is the way it applies to all. So let's click on 2018. So you can see so many pages, the groups I joined, the Facebook, the posts I like, and every other thing, the page I liked, and so many other things on Facebook. So guys, here's how you can actually view any of any past stuff you did on Facebook, and so it's recorded in the Facebook memory there. So what you have to do is to like this video, share and comment. So subscribe to my channel for more tech videos. Goodbye, thanks for watching, see you in the next video.